You're looking at real footage from a camera mounted to the back of a northern pike released into a cold, silent European lake. What starts as a routine tracking mission quickly turns into something else. As the pike descends, the water thickens with silt, visibility drops, and the lake bed begins to reveal fragments that shouldn't be here. Rust, metal, shapes that don't belong to nature. Then it becomes clear. Weapons, old ones, blades, spearheads, scattered like they were abandoned in a hurry. The deeper it goes, the more the story changes. Bones begin to appear, partially buried, mixed in with the metal. This isn't just debris. This is a site, a battlefield. Time has erased the surface, but down here, it's still intact. Armor plates, broken straps, remnants of something violent, and then a shield. At first, just an edge beneath the silt, but then more appear. Dozens of them, stacked, scattered, some still standing like they were once held in formation. This wasn't random. This was a line, a defense, a final stand. The pike moves forward, and the scale becomes impossible to ignore. More shields, more bones, an entire section of the lake bed filled with remains. Then something even stranger, torn fabric drifting slowly in the water. Banners, or what's left of them. Whatever happened here, it wasn't small, it wasn't quiet, and it didn't end well. Helmets lie in clusters, as if they fell all at once. A wall of shields rises from the lake bed, partially collapsed, but still holding its shape. This wasn't just a battle. It was organized, disciplined, and then it fell apart. The deeper the pike goes, the darker it gets, until one object stands out, larger than anything else. A massive shield, far bigger than the rest. Not standard, not ordinary, something important. As the camera passes over it, faint markings begin to show. An emblem, barely visible beneath centuries of corrosion. Who did this belong to? And why is it here? But the real discovery is what's behind it, hidden in the darkness. A figure, still upright, still armored, a warrior, exactly where they fell, preserved by the cold, by the silence, by the depth. This lake didn't just cover history, it kept it, and now, for the first time, we're seeing it again.